Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to devices setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experience. In today's video, we will discuss how to set up Xiaomi Mi Wi-Fi Repeater Pro extender using your smartphone. If you have an Android smartphone and good internet connection, then you will set up this extender very easily. So let's start the video. First of all, we start with the product unboxing. When we unbox the Xiaomi Mi Wi-Fi Repeater Pro extender box, we will find the extender along with user guide. This manual guide helps us to easily set up the Xiaomi Mi Wi-Fi Repeater Pro extender. So let's start the setup process. We will discuss each and every steps briefly for easy understanding. Plug the Xiaomi Mi Wi-Fi Repeater Pro into a power source. Wait until the LED indicator starts blinking orange. And also ensure that your smartphone and the Xiaomi Mi Wi-Fi Repeater Pro extender are close to each other. On your smartphone, go to Wi-Fi settings. Look for a network named something like Mi Wi-Fi XXXX_2GXT. XXXX will be a unique identifier. And also remember that use only updated version the Mi Home app. Now launch the Mi Home app on your smartphone device. Tap on the plus icon to add a new device. Select Network Devices and then Mi Wi-Fi Repeater Pro from the list. Follow the on-screen instructions in the Mi Home app to complete the setup. This typically involves connecting the repeater to your existing Wi-Fi network. Once the setup is complete, the indicator light on the repeater will turn blue, indicating a successful connection. And lastly, place the repeater in a location where it can still receive a strong Wi-Fi signal from your router while extending coverage to the desired area. That's how you can easily set up your Xiaomi Mi Wi-Fi Repeater Pro extender in faster way. So now you can enjoy the seamless internet connectivity in all over your workstation.